Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Nissan Micra ST, stock reference number 5431. The shape runs from the 11th month 2010 through the 11th month 2012. It has a HR12, 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. HR12, 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol, 3-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 14-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 5 small dents. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate has 1 small dent, right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has 2 small dents, and a right power door mirror. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with audio buttons.